Can fingering during intercourse cause miscarriage when she's pregnant? What I mean is going down there with your hands, with your fingers. Can it cause miscarriage when she's pregnant? Pay close attention. Let me answer this question. This is an important question I've been seeing in my DM since this week. So I'm making this video to answer this question. So pay close attention. Now, before I answer this question, I want to tell you that there is nothing wrong with couples enjoying themselves, like doing anything they want to do and anyhow they want to do it in the other room, provided it is giving the both of you pleasure. Go ahead, and enjoy yourself. Do you understand? I'm saying this because, guy, if I finally get married, go easy. Oh. Now, let's answer the question. In a normal pregnancy, uncomplicated pregnancy, gentle vaginal fingering does not cause miscarriage. Yes, there is no scientific proof. It does not cause miscarriage. And I will tell you why. The reason why gentle fingering will not cause miscarriage is because the baby is inside the uterus, not the vagina. The baby is inside the uterus, protected by the uterus, the cervix, and what is called amniotic sac. Do you understand? So there is no way your finger will cause miscarriage. Most miscarriages are caused by problem with the developing pregnancy, usually chromosomal abnormalities, not not just sexual activities. Do you get? But there is an important thing I need you couples to understand. Those of you that like this fingering during pregnancy, understand this. Fingering during pregnancy, most times, depending on your body, it can cause light spotting or light bleeding. Especially those of you that have sensitive vaginal tissue and cervix during pregnancy, it can cause spotting. So you better do it gently or you avoid it. Okay, especially when your fingernails are not cut. You know, it can also cause a little injury inside your vagina, leading to light bleeding and all of that if the fingernails are not cut. Because during pregnancy, most people have sensitive vagina and all of that. So I suggest you either do it gently or, in fact, during pregnancy, anything you are doing with a woman, whether sexually or not, you should just be very, very gentle and kind. That's just it. That's my advice. And another thing I need you to understand is that for those of you that like this fingering, you really need to be careful. You need to be careful and do it safely. The reason is because you can use an infected hand, maybe a hand that is not clean, and infect your wife, then infect yourself through penetration. Do you understand? You can infect your wife with your hands by fingering, then infect yourself through penetration. So you just need to be careful with this thing. Just make sure you are doing it safely. Your pleasure matters, but your health and your safety matters more. Okay? Take care of yourself as much as you can. I hope this will help. It's me, your daily dose of truth for a healthier life. Right? I hope you enjoyed your dose today. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right?